Hey everyone, I'm Dhrumit, a cyber forensics student, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the most powerful websites I use daily for learning, researching, and sharpening my skills in cyber forensics and cybersecurity. This isn't a Google search list. These are tools I personally used in my journey from mobile forensics to OSINT, to threat hunting, and even cloud labs. So grab your notepad, let's go! Section 1, Learning and Upskilling. 1. Cloud Skills Boost by Google. Google's free learning platform with hands-on labs, especially useful for cloud forensics and security. They've got skill badges and real GCP scenarios. 2. AWS Skill Builder. This one's all about AWS infrastructure, but from a security and operational point of view. Great if you're learning about logging, IAM, or incident response. 3. IBM Training. IBM offers certifications in cyber threat intelligence, SOC analyst, and more, especially useful if you want to work in enterprise-grade environments. 4. Try Hack Me Plus Hack the Box. My go-to for CTFs and practical labs. THM is beginner-friendly, while HTB makes you think like a hacker, literally. Both platforms help me level up fast. 5. Wiz CTF Platform, a lesser-known gem for cloud CTFs. Wiz Challenges are quick, modern, and super clean, especially good for practicing cloud misconfigurations. Section 2, Research and Raycon. 6. Shodan.io. Shodan is a search engine for internet-connected devices. Want to see unsecured cameras or exposed ports? This is the place. Use it ethically, of course. 7. Netcraft. A solid tool to detect phishing domains, analyze certificates, and monitor web security stats. Used even by law enforcement. 8. VirusTotal. Upload any file, URL, or hash, and check how over 70 antivirus engines treat it. Super helpful during malware or phishing analysis. 9. Any.Run. Want to see how malware behaves in real time? This sandbox visualizes everything from network traffic to API calls. 10. MX Toolbox. My Swiss Army knife for DNS lookups, blacklist checks, email header analysis, all in one neat package. 11. MITRE ATT&CK. This is a must. It lists adversary tactics and techniques used in real-world attacks. I use this to map behavior during forensic investigations. 12. Info by IP. Lightweight tool for IP address geolocation, user agent analysis, and DNS checks. No sign-in required, super quick. 13. WaybackMachineArchive.org. Need to find a website's deleted page or historical data? Archive.org has snapshots going back years. Very useful for tracking threat actor changes. Section 3. Forensics and Security Tools. 14. Cellbrite Community. For mobile forensics, I use this to stay updated on UFED tools, new modules, and case-based learning. They've got forums and product downloads too. 15. ExploitDB. This is where I go when looking for known vulnerabilities and proof of concepts. Always check here before launching a test or simulation. 16. Test Containers Cloud. Cloud-based containers for isolated testing environments. Helps when I don't want to set up VMs manually every time. 17. GitLab. CI/CD and version control, but also useful for hosting forensic scripts, automation workflows, or incident response playbooks. 18. Splunk and Power BI. Splunk is for log analysis and threat detection, while Power BI helps visualize reports. Both tools are a big plus if you're aiming to be a cyber analyst or forensic auditor. Section 4. Cloud and Security Dashboards. 19. Azure Security Portal. I use this to understand cloud policies, access control, and monitor cloud resources. Microsoft's dashboards are surprisingly deep. 20. Prisma Cloud Console and Cloudflare. For managing firewalls, access logs, and threat analytics. Good exposure to real-world cloud security workflows. So that's my cyber forensics toolkit. All the websites I rely on to stay ahead, stay sharp, and stay skilled. If you're just starting out, bookmark these, explore them one by one, and see what works best for your path. Hit that like button if this helped, comment your favorite tool below, and subscribe for more hands-on cyber content every week. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical. Peace out.